Hello, dear children. After the completion of Puppy and I poem, let us turn towards prose part of the Unit 7. We shall enjoy this prose part because it's a story and I know you like stories very much. Okay, so another fun filled part of the Unit 7, and we shall see the name of the prose part. The name is Little Tiger, Big Tiger. Okay, so from the title we come to know the story is about a little tiger and a big tiger. Alright, so here comes the big tiger and here comes the little tiger. How cute. Okay, so they both are watching us and we are going to learn their stories. Alright, so before going to the main story, I want you to ask something. Right, children, you learn different types of stories, but most favorite of you all are animal stories. You may be knowing a lot of animal stories. I would like to hear one from any one of you. All right, so here lots of animals you can see, so many animals on the screen, and these animals look happy. Okay, all the animals are having fun. So you can create your own stories as well. It is not compulsory that you should read the stories from somewhere and then only you can tell your stories. No, it is not necessary. You can create your own stories. You can be a writer of a story. Well, if you don't find the right words, then you can discuss with your teachers and parents. But if you try to write your own story, you will be a good writer one day. So start writing stories from now onwards. A simple, small, easy to understand, and it can be about animals, it can be about your friends, it can be about school, it can be about your playing and things and all. Okay, so anything you can talk about, you can write about, and you can create your own writing. So this will be a good chance for you. Like if you want to write a story about say a cat, okay, you can write anything. Like a cat was running fast on the road. I saw a cat running fast on the road and I was surprised to see the cat was running so fast and looked in shock. I was very much amused to see that why the cat looked very shocked, and then I turned my attention to the corner of the road and I saw a big dog was there, and it was standing proudly, and the cat was afraid of that dog. That is why the cat was running fast. After that, cat went into the trees, and there I saw a rat running here and there. Mouse was running here and there, and then I saw the cat was standing proudly there. Okay, and then I asked the cat, why are you disturbing the rat? And then cat replied, I want to eat that rat because I am hungry. I am so much hungry. But what happened? Someone came and tried to catch the cat. Okay, but what happened? The rat bit that man and ran away from that place. And the man also felt scared. He ran away from that place. So in this way, rat helped the cat, and cat did not eat the rat later on. So they become friends. So this way you can create your own stories, anything. Okay, so during the class it will be a great fun to listen a story from your side. All right, let's see the next slide. Okay, now on this slide you can see the name of the prose, that is Little Tiger, Big Tiger. So let us read. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. Okay, so the first line says there was a mother tiger, that is the female of tiger is tigress. Okay, so she had a cub, that is she had a young tiger, young baby, that is called as cub. Small tiger is called as cub, cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. So of course these wild animals live in jungle and they live nearby a river. Why? Because they can avail water, they can drink water anytime when they feel thirsty. And in a shady jungle, what is shady jungle? Shady jungle is nothing but very dark, deep forest. Okay, where it is difficult to find the sunlight. That sort of shady jungle. Okay. Then when the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. Now you know tiger eats other animals. Tiger kills other animals and then it eats flesh of the animals. So hunting is nothing but killing other animals for food. Okay, so tiger does that. So tiger hunts deer and pig. So when does the mother tiger do it? When the sky becomes dark. Okay, when the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. Now here in this story, mother tiger whenever goes out, the little tiger will stay always close to mother. Just like you, right? When your mother and father goes out somewhere, so you also accompany them and you try to stay close to your mother and father. Similarly, this tiger cub is also trying to stay as close as possible to its mother. Now see, when the langur monkey saw her, langur, a kind of monkey only, okay, different kind of monkey. I shall show you the photo of the langur in the coming slides. When the langur monkey saw her means saw that tigress, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out, a tiger is coming. The sambar deer bellowed and the kakkar deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. Okay, now what happens? See, the sambar deer bellowed. Bellowed means extremely afraid of something. Okay, so made a loud noise, in scary noise. Okay, so the sambar deer got scared and made a loud noise so that everyone can hear, so that everyone will get awake and they will run away. The kakkar deer barked. Okay, it is also called as barking deer, and I'll show the picture of that kakkar deer in the next slide. Now what happens when the tigress was approaching, mother tiger was approaching to kill a deer or pig? That time monkey, what it did, it told everyone, watch out, a tiger is coming. And that time sambar deer, kakkar deer, they made noises and then they ran away, and mother tiger was now left with no one to kill, and sometimes the game got away. So sometimes the game got away means the game of running behind the deer and killing and eating, that is the game for the tiger, and this will be spoiled if the deer comes to know that tiger is coming, and this way the tiger may not get animal to kill. She hunted then for jungle fowl. Okay, now what happened? She has no options. Mother tiger has no option. What she did? She hunted then for jungle fowl. Hunt means to kill the animals for food. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant and for frog, or went to the river for fish, but she did not hunt every night. Okay, so this is the information they are giving, that if deer, she did not get deer, then she will go for jungle fowl. Jungle fowl is like a cock or hen. Okay, it looks like cock or hen, and it also tries to eat frog, or sometimes it go for river fish if possible. But she did not hunt every night. Every night hunting is not possible for her. Okay, so what happens in the story? In the beginning, there is a cub and there is a mother tiger. Then they lived near a river in a shady forest, and when the sky becomes dark, when it gets dark, mother tiger comes out for the hunting of the deer. Then when langur monkey sees it, it immediately makes noise and gives warning, watch out, a tiger is coming. And then deer, sambar deer, kakkar deer, they will run away, and then it will not get anything to kill. So it will run behind, tiger will run behind the cock, that is jungle fowl, pheasant and for frog, or went to the river for fish. She did not hunt every night. So every night she won't hunt, sometimes only she will come for hunting, but that time the deer should be ready to run fast. Okay, although the tiger is very powerful and very dangerous animal, but still tiger has to struggle, tiger has to make a lot of work, hard work, and tiger has to make a lot of efforts to kill deer, because deer is one of the fastest animals in the jungle. Okay, so it is very difficult to kill deer also. All right, so let us see some new words in this line. New words. Okay, so as I told you, langur monkey, here is the picture of langur monkey. Sambar deer, here is the picture of sambar deer. Okay, cub, young baby of tiger. Cub means young baby of tiger. Shady, full of shade. Full of shade means when you stand under a tree in the hot sun, what happens? You get shelter of that tree. Okay, so when you get shelter of the tree under the hot sun, that is nothing but shade of the tree. And then when it becomes full of shade, no sunlight comes, that area is called a shady area. Shady jungle, shady forest. Okay, hunt, search and kill animals mainly for food. Okay, so hunting is an activity of searching and killing animals mainly for food. Sometimes people kill animals for selling their horns or some other making some other useful materials. Okay, so sometimes they kill animals, which is not at all good. Langur, a kind of monkey. Here is a picture on the screen. Langur monkey. Harsh, harsh means cruel, like a bad man beats a small boy in a very harsh manner. Okay, cruel, beating, like tiger kills other animals very in cruelty. Okay, it will not show any pity on the animal, because tiger has to eat the animals. Then bellowed, bellowed means shout with deep loud roar. Okay, and the sambar deer will shout. Why? Because tiger will come and eat the deer, so it has to shout, it has to bellow out. Then fowl, fowl means hen or cock, like bird in forest. Okay, it's like a cock, it's like a hen, bird in forest. All right, so let's see some more things. Yeah, here is kakar deer. I told you about kakar deer. Here is the picture of kakar deer, and it will be found in forests, jungle. And this is what? This is not cock. This is fowl, jungle fowl. Okay. So in this way, today we started the story of little tiger and big tiger. We will continue this story in coming modules. Till that time, I am providing you a handout, and read the story and write the questions given in the handout. Thank you. Bye bye.